Okay, so the question is really what is happening during this adjustment? Why do we do these adjustments? And is it for everyone? So let's answer the last portion first. First off this, no. The Y strap adjustment is not for everyone. Most definitely not for everyone. Matter of fact, there's only a small percentage of my practice at least that qualifies for a Y strap adjustment. If you have any amount of disc bulging, herniations, prior surgeries, disc fusions, any of the incredibly bad stuff that we typically see in an office, those people will unfortunately be disqualified from having a Y strap adjustment. In addition, when a patient comes in, we put them through a series of testing, protocols, different things to ensure that as we adjust the patient, and this is a pretty aggressive form of an adjustment, that there could be no harm done. So if you're seeking a chiropractor who does a Y-strap adjustment, they should be doing more ruling out than ruling in, so to speak, when it comes to using the Y-strap. Now, in addition to that, let's talk about what it is. First off, the name. The name is Y-strap. And basically what it means is that the force is placed upon the Y-axis. You probably remember back in school where you had that thing called the X-axis and the Y-axis, and you did all the graphing and everything in geometry. I think it's geometry. I don't remember. Obviously, I wasn't good at math. Well, the Y-axis is basically the axis where we see distraction that's happening. So I have my spine right here. And what we're trying to do and accomplish using the Y-strap is we lay the person on their back, and you saw in the video where the strap goes underneath your occiput, and what we're trying to do is pull and decompress the spine. Now, this is a fairly new technique. Well, not fairly new technique. It's a technique that was used by a group of doctors called Pedibond doctors, and they first started using the Y-strap as a way to decompress the spine. However, they didn't do the big yank that you see, on YouTube or Facebook. Basically what they did is they put the strap around the person's neck, had them lay on their back, and then pulled and stretched out the cervical spine and held it for 15 to 30 seconds. So in my practice, the way I do it, and again, this is just me, every doctor can be different, is I do a series of actual traction before we do the pull. So I traction for 15 to 30 seconds, relax, I do that multiple times, and then at the last one, that's when we give the tug and the pull. Now, the reason that people absolutely love the Y-strap is because it creates so much motion in the joints. Now, you should understand that this is a very non-specific chiropractic adjustment. And what do I mean by that? When a patient goes to a chiropractor, especially in my practice as well, we're trying to be very specific where we apply the thrust or the adjustment. We're trying to move just usually one or two bones. Well, when you're doing a Y-strap, you're not trying to be specific, honestly, at all. I mean, you have the strap and you're trying to pull, and then you're giving it a big old yank on it, and you're trying to decompress the entire cervical spine. Matter of fact, for people that you've probably seen like on YouTube where they pull it really hard, the person will say, "Oh my gosh, doctor, I felt that all the way down in my low back sometimes for decompression." Now, is that good or is that bad? I don't know. I will say that when I first started to play and use the technique, I didn't think I would see very good results. But incredibly, I've seen amazing results. And I've actually seen results with people that have not done so well with normal, what they call rotary brake adjustments. Rotary brake adjustments means where I take it, I turn your head to the left, and then I adjust, and I turn my head to the right, and then I adjust as well. However, with the Y-axis, where we're doing just the big decompression motion and movement, those patients are seeing incredible relief. Matter of fact, my patients that have about mild to moderate amounts of degeneration happening in their cervical spine have seen incredible results. And again, I don't have a lot of science or research to back this. All I can tell you is from firsthand knowledge in my practice and the testimonies that they've been telling me that these types of adjustments have actually given them more relief in some circumstances than the normal specific rotary adjustment. So this is a brand new technique, guys, that literally has kind of just become famous, so to speak, on YouTube over probably the last 1 to 2 years. A lot of doctors are trying it. Again, I think the jury's still out as far as the effectiveness of it, but for patients, I definitely am seeing a positive result with the right demographic. So if you guys have questions about the Y-strap adjustment, I would love to answer them. Please ask me down in the comments below. As always, guys, you know I'm here for you anytime. Hope you guys have a great one. Make sure, live in alignment. Talk to you later.